In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sniper in Basketball Zero. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Sniper is a legendary style in Basketball Zero. To acquire it, go over to the Styles tab, and if you look under the normal odds, you have a 2% chance of getting a legendary style, with one of these 4 legendaries being Sniper. If you look at the lucky odds, you have a 92% chance instead of getting a legendary, with again 1 in 4 being the Sniper. The Sniper is a specialized offensive style centered entirely around its namesake, high accuracy long range shooting. So the core focus is going to be your long range accuracy. This Sniper style gives you a massive bonus to your shooting range and the accuracy. Positioning is key. Never settle for a mid-range shot or layup or dunk unless absolutely necessary. Always position yourself behind the 3-point line. Because of your high accuracy and range, it is ideal to be farther away than usual. So use simple, quick dribble moves or screens from teammates to create separation. A successful sniper shot is usually one that is uncontested. The game has aim assist for shooting, so line up your shot on the square target on the court and let your style's accuracy do the rest. The main ability is going to be Perfect Arc. You will shoot the ball and it is guaranteed to land. It is usable anywhere on the opponent's side of the court. It is blockable and you must be looking at the hoop. It has increased shot speed with every successful shot in a manner similar to Chuck's Heat Check. And you have Quick Release where you quickly shoot the ball. It is only usable in the 2-point area. It is blockable as well and you must be looking at the hoop. So your main abilities are simply going to be aimed at the hoop to score quick points. Then you have your Awakened moveset with the Awakening move Full Court where you jump and you shoot the ball. Then you turn around, correct the dropped glasses on the animation, and the ball goes into the hoop. So this Awakening ability grants a hyper-accurate, almost 100% chance to score from a distance. Save your Awakening for when you absolutely need a basket, like in the final seconds of a close game or when the opponent is on a scoring run. Depending on the exact iteration of your style, the Awakening may allow you to attempt and hit a shot from a full court or near full court with a decent successful rate. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.